Hello friends, myself Dr. Alok Kumar Upadhyay, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Special Education, All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysuru. In Public Education series, today I will discuss with you on topic Learning Strategies for Children with Special Needs in Inclusive Classrooms. As we all know that the scenario has come for inclusive education and classroom will become inclusive classrooms. But if we do not know how to make inclusive classrooms and the children with special needs we will send in those classrooms, they will not learn effectively. Rather than they will be feel like dumping in the classroom. So how can we make more inclusive classrooms? What strategies we have to implement in our classrooms by which our classrooms will become really inclusive? So if we talk the strategies for inclusive classrooms, we have to implement 3 approaches in our classrooms. The first one is differentiated instructions. The second one is universal design for learning. And third one is the heart, head and hand approach. If we will implement all these approach in our classroom, surely we will feel that our classrooms become inclusive classrooms. So first we will talk about differentiated instructions. As you can see in this picture, the goal is one, but to reach the goal, the ways are different. The same thing apply for all the childrens, including children with special needs. All the students don't have the same pace, speed or way of learning. So for some students, even there are so many barriers, but they easily overcome and reach to the goal. But for some students, some changes are required for their optimal learning purpose. And teachers have to change the way in their instruction. And for few students, it is the duty of the teachers for their optimal learning purpose. They have entirely changed the ways of instructions for the student, as this picture is showing. And how they will make these changes. So in another picture you will see it depends on the teachers and students teaching learning process. Teachers can differentiate on the basis of content. Maybe in content difficulty is there, or process. In process, teacher can make the changes or differentiate. And the third one is the product. When we talk about outcome, that time how we will get to know. For that purpose we can, or teacher can also make the differentiation. But this differentiation can be done on the basis of or according to the students' readiness, interests and their learning profile. If we will make the changes according to the students' readiness, their interests or learning profile, we will see the increase or increment in their motivation will be there. And definitely we will see the efficiency may be increased. So if we will use the differentiated instruction in our classroom, then surely it will work towards the inclusive classroom. The second one is universal design for learning. We can say the universal design learning is a research-based